So what are some foods that destroy the gut here? First, we have to understand that your gut, 80% of your immune system is right here. This right here is how you're able to fight off any sickness, illness, cancer, and disease. But not only that, this is directly related to the brain. So you hear people talk all the time about that gut feeling, right? But a lot of us are so toxic from all the foods and things that we eat that we can't even make the connection between the gut and the brain, and our instincts are off, our intuition is off. So we have to stop consuming things that are destroying this. So what are some of the things that destroy this gut? Well, number one, sugar. Sugar is in everything. It is highly, highly addictive. But sugar also causes a lot of inflammation in the body, and guess what it's going to do to that gut as well? Inflame that. So we want to decrease the amount of sugar that we're consuming on a daily basis. And then the second one is genetically modified foods. What does that mean? Basically, they're taking the DNA from a virus or bacteria and they're putting it into the food. And it makes the food last a whole lot longer, but it's also going to destroy your genetics in your cells. And it will destroy that gut and that gut bacteria as well. And the last thing that we want to look at is the dairy, the cheeses and things like that, the milks. Number one, with the cheese, it is basically a byproduct of the milk, and we already know that milk has so many pus cells and blood and everything else that they allow in there, so it's already not good for you. But the cheese is also very addicting because it contains casomorphine. So it actually has an effect on the receptor cells in your brain, which is why it's hard for a lot of people to kick cheese, because it is very addicting due to that reason. So those are the three things that you want to start to reduce or eliminate in your diet: the sugar, the GMO foods, and also the dairy.